So what I want to demonstrate here is the resilience of the stack itself. So as you can see, there's quite a few different services running. Some of them are turned off because it's not really necessary for the example here. What we're looking at now is Redis is running and it's healthy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a little script that's basically going to turn off Redis, kill the process, and then you're going to see there's an auto heal, so it will recognize that and restart it automatically. So there you see the Docker exec Redis killed that process. It's off. And I've got a second window open over here, and you can see it's just running now. It actually kicked back on. It's that quick, but it's not in the healthy state yet. So that just takes a couple extra seconds. And there you see Redis is now healthy. Now that probably happened a little bit too quick. So I'm just going to sort of run through it again so you can see what's happening. That's the end of the script. So the script is just basically killing the process and then letting it restart on its own through the auto heal um, service. So it's just basically demonstrating that this is a very resilient stack. All the services are up and running, and you don't have to worry that if a service, fails or for whatever reason that you're going to have to manually restart it or something. It will just restart itself. So that's basically what you want. That your stack is up running all the time and you're not sort of there sitting babysitting it. So you can see we've turned it off. It's in a running state. I'm refreshing this, what we call the sort of the status or health check. It just shows you all the services and what state they're in. Each service has a health check. That's very important. And here it's quite healthy. You can see the Redis at the bottom. So let's just probably do this again one more time, just so everybody has a good feel for what's going on. So you can see Redis is in a healthy state. That's quite clear. Now we're going to basically exit this script and we're going to restart it and just try to follow along here again. So we're in this is the self-healing demo. I'm showing that Redis is basically healthy right now. This health screen is refreshing every 5 seconds or so, so it shows the difference there. It's getting killed, so it's now in a starting state. It's not healthy yet. It's starting up. Now Redis is rather quick. That's may not be the best one because it's so fast, but you can see it's right back to healthy. So it's not down at all. I mean, it just, even if it was down, it wouldn't, you've got everything in your queue, so you're in a good situation. But if it's not working, then Redis is down, not working. But it self heals itself, so it comes right back up in seconds. So you're not, 3 o'clock in the morning saying, "Hey, why is the stack not working? What happened?" And on nothing is perfect in this world, so things will break and or get overloaded, too much memory usage, whatever. So you need to have a resilient system that is going to basically keep itself alive all the time. So that's basically what we've done there. I'm showing it one more time here. You can see it's healthy. Then I go over to the other terminal in a second here. And you see it's running now. That means it's basically starting up in this case. It's happened so fast. You would have to go into the logs themselves to see all the steps that on the startup. I hope that demonstrates the resilience of the system here, that you understand what's going on, that we're basically just monitoring via the health checks. Redis is now healthy within 25 seconds. That's just I did a few sleeps in here just to demonstrate what's going on and to slow it down. So that's basically it, folks, for this part of it. And you can see Redis is there at the bottom. Uh, it's in a healthy state, checked off. And like I said, you could go through the logs themselves and take a closer look at exactly when it was killed and when it started up. So yes, please like and subscribe and take a look at the GitHub repository.